These amazing, impressive industrial machines operating at peak efficiency, showcasing the pinnacle of heavy equipment and engineering. Some machines are designed to perform the most complex and demanding tasks with unparalleled precision and power, taking industrial operations to another level. Now let's get started. The LEBA LB36. The LEBA LB36 drill rig is a powerful machine used for digging deep holes in the ground. It's like a giant, super strong drill that can bore through tough soil and rock to build foundations for buildings, bridges, and other structures. It's equipped with a powerful rotary drive that can chew through the earth like it's nothing, and its torque capacity. Think of it as a construction worker's best friend when they need to dig really deep. An engineering marvel, a relentless powerhouse, this rig isn't just part of the job, it's the star of the show. The DeBruin MT3500. The DeBruin MT3500 is a high-performance wind turbine developed by DeBruin, a company known for its innovative wind energy solutions. The MT3500 is designed to generate up to 3.5 megawatts of clean energy, making it suitable for utility-scale wind farms. It features advanced technologies like a direct drive or hybrid drive system, robust construction for reliability in varying wind conditions, and smart control systems for optimizing energy output. This turbine is particularly appreciated for its efficiency, low maintenance requirements, and contribution to sustainable energy goals. The Metalcraft Scraper 1812E. The Metalcraft Scraper 1812E is a durable, handheld tool designed for scraping, cleaning, and smoothing metal surfaces. It features a sturdy metal blade for removing paint, rust, adhesives, or other debris from hard surfaces, and its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for prolonged use. The 1812E model is part of a line known for its efficiency and precision in metalworking and maintenance tasks, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Terra Clears Rock Picker. Terra Clears Rock Picker is a versatile solution that enables highly efficient and precise rock picking with minimal soil disruption. Terra Clears TC80 Rock Picker is one of the most versatile and efficient precision rock picker. It can pick rocks between 4-inch and 26-inch, pull up buried rock, and can cover huge fields with a picking at of 400 rocks rate hour. Designed to efficiently and effectively remove rocks from fields. It's a machine that significantly reduces the time and labor involved in this traditionally arduous task. The SLR 150H Dango and DND. Heavy load robots of the SLR series are the tools of choice for frequently recurring handling operations, such as the transfer of forgings between the furnace and the press, as well as the loading and unloading of rotary hearth furnaces. SLR are particularly suitable for recurring transfer operations between close locations, such as a press and a nearby furnace. In such an application, a stationary robot is unparalleled in terms of handling precision and speed. The Keyak B5. The B5 jaw crusher features load-sensing hydraulics, which offers upwards to 30% in fuel savings compared to traditional diesel-driven crushers. Designed for processing the toughest rock in quarrying and mining applications, the B5 mobile track-mounted jaw crusher is designed with a wedge system and a high-stroke jaw. Keystrak is dedicated to delivering the best-in-class for all their customers, so they design every Keystrak crusher, screener, and stacker from the ground up to be highly efficient and cost-effective. AMI Kraken Concrete Pulverizer. Standing strong in the concrete jungle is the AMI Kraken Concrete Pulverizer, the fast and simple way to crush concrete. Built for durable, long-term use, the Kraken Concrete Pulverizer is fully mechanical, made with Hardox wear points, and requires no auxiliary hydraulics. The Kraken's 3/4 jaw configuration provides crushing strength that pushes the broken material through the jaws for efficient productivity. The Timberjack 810B. A Timberjack 810B is a type of forestry machine specifically designed for forwarding timber. This means it's used to transport felled trees from the cutting area to a loading point or landing. Equipped with a robust engine to handle the demanding terrain of forest operations. Large loading capacity capable of carrying multiple logs at once. Maneuverable, designed to navigate through dense forests with ease. The DeBruin Chopper Roller. A DeBruin chopper roller is a powerful machine used for clearing land. It's like a big, heavy-duty roller with sharp blades that chop up trees, shrubs, and other vegetation. It's really efficient for getting rid of unwanted plants and preparing land for farming or other uses. The Ultra Air Blast Sprayer HSU 3000. The best contributor to pest control of rice farm and animal disease control of broad stock farming area in Korea. Axial fan of carbon composite material in the pest control field, the first of its kind in Korea, leads to an increase in safety and durability. Pest control design technology optimized for rice cultivation and farm produce in Korea. Minimized labor cost wireless remote control enables one driver to control the wide area sprayer from the cabin. The MANSEN 120 Dual Power. MANSEN 120 handles various materials economically and efficiently. This agile, fast, and precise machine makes material handling operations ecological and more productive. The 120 offers the largest reference list at MANSEN, providing numerous customers with a needed capacity already for a decade. MANSEN 120 is designed to be used at ports, in ship loading and unloading applications, but this capable all-round machine can also be used to streamline operations at terminals and mills. The DELVANO Euro TR 6000. The DELVANO Euro TR is the capacity machine within our range. These machines are widely applicable. They combine capacity with instrumentation to sustainable spraying techniques. The hydraulic filler arm is an extra asset that is operated from the cabin. The DELVANO Euro TR 6000, with largest boom in the world, 57 meters, is delivered to the end customer. The operation of this innovative spray system consists of each nozzle being equipped with an electric nozzle valve. The Grimmy GB 430. The Grimmy GB 430 is a powerful potato planter that makes planting a breeze. It's designed to handle different tuber sizes and planting methods, whether you prefer traditional ridges or raised beds. With features like under-root fertilization and adjustable planting depth, you can optimize your planting process for maximum yield. Plus, it's built to last, so you can rely on it season after season. The Sandvik DL422. Sandvik DL422 IE is a fully automated, battery-powered top-hammer long-hole drill designed for underground mass mining in 3.5 meters or larger production drifts. It reduces emissions while tramming, creating a healthier and safer working environment. It is equipped with an electric driveline system, including a battery package and electric motor for zero emissions while tramming. It also helps reduce thermal load and ventilation requirements underground. The OMC Hedger. An OMC Hedger is a specialized piece of orchard machinery designed to efficiently trim and shape trees. It's like a giant, high-tech hedge trimmer specifically built for orchards. These machines can significantly reduce labor costs and improve the overall health and productivity of fruit trees. The Case IH8000. The Case IH8000 refers to a series of high-performance agricultural equipment produced by Case IH, a leading manufacturer of farming machinery. These models are often associated with advanced technologies and durable designs, catering to large-scale farming needs. They typically include features like powerful engines, precision farming tools, and efficient operating systems, making them reliable for tasks such as planting, harvesting, and tillage. Case IH machinery is valued for its commitment to productivity and ease of use, helping farmers work smarter and more efficiently. The TBG7000 Tub Grinder. The TBG7000 Tub Grinder is a heavy-duty industrial machine designed for efficiently grinding large volumes of organic material such as wood waste, stumps, and brush. Commonly used in forestry, land clearing, and recycling operations, it features a high-capacity tub with robust grinding teeth and advanced systems for reducing materials into mulch, chips, or other manageable forms. Known for its durability and productivity, the TBG7000 is often favored for demanding applications requiring powerful and reliable performance. The Class Cougar 1400. The Class Cougar 1400 is like a giant self-propelled lawnmower built for farms. It's a massive machine that can mow huge fields super fast. Imagine a mower that's as wide as a small house. It's got a powerful engine and big wheels to handle any terrain. Farmers use it to cut grass for hay or silage, which is food for livestock. It's a really impressive piece of farming equipment. The Watermaster Dredger. A Watermaster Dredger is a versatile multi-purpose machine designed for dredging, excavation, and environmental restoration in aquatic environments. This highly efficient amphibious equipment is used to remove sediment, clear waterways, deepen rivers, and maintain harbors and canals. It can operate in shallow waters, wetlands, or even on dry land thanks to its unique design that allows it to float, walk, or anchor itself. The John Deere R450. The John Deere R450 is a self-propelled windrower designed for cutting and conditioning hay and forage crops efficiently. Known for its reliability and versatility, it features a powerful engine, precise cutting technology, and comfortable operator controls. The R450 is part of John Deere's agricultural equipment lineup, catering to farmers who need high-performance tools for their harvesting operations. It often pairs with various headers, like rotary or draper models, to handle different crop types and field conditions effectively,